Before we dive into the fascinating world of Pokemon trading card game, uh, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button to stay up to date on the latest Pokemon news and updates. We have, as a seasoned collector and connoisseur of all things Pokemon, I must say that the recent revelation of the connected card set featuring Snorlax has left me utterly enchanted. Growing up with the original Pokemon trading card game, I can vividly remember the thrill of hunting for holographic cards and the sheer delight when I discovered two cards that seemed to tell a story, that contractors cleared them. Um, the Pokemon trading card game pocket has taken this concept to a whole new level, allowing players to strategically place cards to create intricate and beautiful artwork. One competitor has successfully constructed a replica of the legendary Exodia card, reminiscent of the one from Yu-Gi-Oh! In Yu-Gi-Oh!, the Exodia card is an enigmatic artifact that needs 5 distinct cards to complete, each piece representing a portion of Exodia's body, 1 for the head, 2 for the arms, and 2 for the legs. Known as the Forbidden One in the series and card game, obtaining all pieces results in an immediate victory. Reddit user Carlatalk successfully constructed the Pokemon TCG Snorlax card by strategically arranging its components during a fight. This was accomplished by playing a specific card as the active Pokemon and benching 3 others with the elusive Snorlax occupying the central position in the setup. Another Reddit user, TTTTT678, commented that this sequence of moves should result in an immediate victory, similar to the Yu-Gi-Oh's Exodia collection. I would have surrendered immediately upon seeing that combination played. It should be an instant win. The Snorlax in the full art holographic card seems to encroach slightly on neighboring cards. The large Pokemon's foot is seen investigating Venonat. While a curious Venonat studies it, an anxious Oddish appears surprised by the top half of Snorlax's head. Lastly, Bellsprout is depicted fleeing from a Snorlax arm on its own card. As a movie buff, putting on my Pokemon glasses, I can't help but notice the intricate details in this Snorlax holo card. The focus, of course, is on our beloved Snorlax. Peacefully dozing off on a dock with one humongous paw playfully squishing its own cheek. Upon closer inspection, it becomes clear that not only Snorlax dominates the scene, but 3 other Pokemon are cleverly hidden among the card's design. Venonat can be spotted at Snorlax's foot, while Oddish is camouflaged under the HP meter on the top right corner. The unlucky Bellsprout, however, was caught off guard and found itself trapped beneath Snorlax's massive arm. The Pokemon TCG Pocket Snorlax card is part of a connected set with 3 other cards completing the picture. Some players have observed that the Snorlax in the full art holographic card seems to encroach slightly on neighboring cards. And as a Pokemon fan, I'm always excited to discover cards that form a matching pair. It's like finding a hidden treasure in the Pokemon world. The Pokemon trading card game pocket has taken this concept to a whole new level, allowing players to strategically place cards to create intricate and beautiful artwork. And the artistry in Pokemon cards is breathtaking, and it's fantastic that the Pokemon trading card game Pocket has transferred such beauty and charm from the physical game to the digital realm. One, uh, I'm hoping for more of these connected and related artwork cards in the future, as these small surprises only add to the allure for collectors. And on a lighter note, I guess you could say that Snorlax is the ultimate couch potato. It's always sleeping, and even its arms are trying to catch a few Z's. And with that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.